We are looking at how to pronounce this name as well as how to say more interesting dog breed names as well, so make sure to stay tuned and consider subscribing for more learning. For reference, since this is a German word initially, in German this is normally said as Doberman, Doberman. In American English and British English, however, it is usually said as Doberman, Doberman versus Doberman in German. Pretty similar pronunciations. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more dog breed names whose pronunciations aren't exactly always obvious. I'll see you there to learn more. Thanks for watching.